what's good? It's your girl Shelly G here, back with another video, and today I'm going to do a get unready with me. So here we go. So the first thing that I do whenever I have a full face of makeup on, I take this micellar cleansing water by Garnier, and I bought the travel size because I didn't know if I would like it or not, and I didn't want to go ahead and buy the full size if I didn't like it. So I'm just gonna take these white pads and I'm just gonna dunk that, and then I take them like this, and then this works like even if you have like layers and layers of glitter and like glitter glue and like eyelash glue, it's really good at getting all of that off. So you just lay it over your eyes, and then you just kind of gently press it in, and then you just let it sit like that for 30 seconds. And then I'll go like up into my eyebrows and start wiping that away. And bam, like all of that is gone. And then I'll like fold it and do the other side, and then just kind of start wiping gently, very gently. Anytime you are doing anything with your face, you have to be as gentle as possible. And then I just kind of use every single bit of the pad that I can. Okay, now I feel like those are pretty used up, so I'm just gonna throw those away. And then I'll just take a makeup wipe and remove everything that's left on my face. We all know that makeup wipes don't get every single piece of makeup off, so I'm still gonna wash my face. But before I do that, I have this face steamer, and it's got like high or low settings, and you just put the water in there and it kind of boils it, and then you just put your face right here and it steams and it opens up all of your pores. I don't know if you can see all the steam that's coming from it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for a couple of minutes before I wash my face. Foamingly Clean Facial Wash by Benefit Cosmetics. Put a dot right here, and then up here. So first off, I have this cleansing brush, and it's really good. It's like $12 to $15 or something. You can get it at Walmart. It's really helpful whenever you are washing your face instead of using your fingers. I love these brushes. I also have this one that is made by True Beauty, and I really like it. You just push the button and it vibrates. And this one is so soft. It looks so dirty because I've used it so much, but it's so soft, and it's just like the bristles are like really thick, and I love that. And then I also have this one. It comes in a case, and it has 4 different tops that you can put on it. You can tell which ones I have used because they are stained from makeup coming off of my face. It's got all the little settings, and then you just, that's low, and then this is high. I'm gonna use the one that I usually use, which you can definitely tell which one that is. Now I'm going to pop that on there, and then I'm going to get some warm water and just go over my face with it, and I will show you that in a second. Okay, so now I have some hot water. Okay, so now I have some warm water on this, and I'm just going to get upset because of my hair, and then I'll just kind of work it in for a little bit, make sure it gets all of the makeup that might be left over on my face. Now that that is all rinsed off, I'm just going to pat my face dry. Now I'm going to go in with this matcha and aloe vera face scrub. It's made in Australia, so it's gotta be good. But anyways, it's got like this little weird thing, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit, just that much, on my fingertip, and then this is going to exfoliate. So all of the people out there that has dry skin like me, this is going to help you get off all of that dead skin, that flaky skin. I know I get it really bad on my nose and on my forehead. Go in very just small circles, be very gentle. Then after you massage it around for like a minute or so, then you just rinse it off with some warm water. My skin is so soft. Right now is whenever sometimes I would usually do a mask. So I'm just going to show you two of the ones that I really like. There's this one, this Glam Glow Volcasmic. Is that how you say it? It's a matte glow moisturizer. Never mind, it's a moisturizer, not a mask. I'm stupid. I'm illiterate. I have no knowledge whatsoever. I really like this one from Lush Cosmetics. It's the Otafix one. It's a beautiful blend of bananas, vanilla, ground almonds, and oats, meant to cool and nourish irritated skin. But I really like this one because it smells so good. But I don't really want to do a face mask right now, but now is whenever I would do like a sheet mask or a regular mask. One of these silicone brushes to apply that to my face so that I don't have to get my fingers all crusty and dirty. After all of that comes toner. I have used this Pixie toner a lot, and it's an exfoliating toner. So normally, instead of using this and a regular toner and put it all over a washcloth, and then I will just take the washcloth and just kind of like exfoliate with that instead of having to go and buy an exfoliating face cream or whatever scrub, then you could just do that. But this is the toner that I have really been liking, and it is a witch hazel toner. This one is for softening, and they also have one for redness, and then they have another one, but I don't remember what it was for. I usually just kind of put it on a washcloth and then I'll like rub it around, which I'm not really exfoliating because I just exfoliated. So I'm just kind of rubbing and patting it around and that kind of thing. And now we use serum. So this one is the Instant Comeback Serum by Benefit Cosmetics, a hyaluronic acid daily face serum, and I have really been liking this one. That the hyaluronic acid is really good for your face. It is very moisturizing. Well, I always like switch in between all of this, so I think I'm gonna do this one. And I'm just gonna say real quick that the only reason that I have like multiple versions of the same thing is because your skin really, like, it'll get used to one thing, then it will either stop working. Okay, let me start over. So when you're using the same super hydrating thing every single day over and over, then your face could eventually like get used to the product or something, and it will like stop working. Either that, or you could accidentally make your skin super oily. Like, you could completely change your whole skin makeup. I don't even know if that makes sense. It's hard to explain. So basically I switch in between the two products so that my face can't get used to one product and then that one product stop working, because I really like all these. And then, so I guess since this is a moisturizer, I've never used it as a moisturizer before though, but whenever I used it as a face mask, I was like, huh, that did nothing, because I put it all over and then I wiped it all off, and I am dumb. That's about it. I guess I have two moisturizers. This is the one that I use and I love. It is Total Moisture Facial Cream by Benefit Cosmetics. And again, don't push too hard when you're rubbing stuff into your face. And also, whenever you do put on your makeup, if you like go all the way back here with your makeup, or like back to your ear, or if you like go all the way down your neck, just keep that in mind whenever you are doing your skincare routine. Just keep in mind that those places need attention too, because if you're washing your face and you don't wash back here and then down here, then all of that makeup will build up and get like all crusty and nasty, and you don't want that. Now I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu eye cream. This is his chamomile eye cream. So whenever you are applying an eye cream, you want to take this finger, because this finger applies the least amount of pressure out of all of your fingers, and the skin around your eye is a lot more sensitive than the rest of the skin on your face. The tiniest bit goes such a long way, and then you just tap it super lightly, as light as you can. And then what I like to do is whatever's left on my finger, I just kind of like rub it up here. Just lightly dab and rub. And then last comes your oils. If your routine is way different than my routine, but you have oils included, always have your oils be the very last thing that you do. I have this sweet almond oil, hyaluronic acid oil. Since I did the hyaluronic acid serum, I'm not going to do that oil. If I can get it open, goodness. That's my workout for the week. Okay, and then with oils, you want to be so careful because you do not want to put too much. Because after all of this, you don't want your face to be super oily. And even if you do have oily skin, you should still moisturize. And I know a lot of people use like coconut oil for everything, like it's their religion. If you're like, I have dry hair, people are like, coconut oil. Or if you're like, I have dry skin, coconut oil. Like, I need to get an A on my essay, coconut oil. Like, people are crazy about coconut oil. Coconut oil is a comedogenic. It tends to cause blackheads by blocking the pores of the skin. Coconut oil is really good for a lot of things, but if you use coconut oil on your face and you have a lot of acne, try not using coconut oil for a little bit and just try cleansing out your pores really good and not filling them back up with coconut oil, which it helps a lot of things. I'm not saying no to coconut oil because I know people will come at me and fight me, but I'm just saying that if you are using coconut oil and you still have a bunch of acne, try stopping that and using something else maybe. And yeah, I think that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to see you guys all again soon. If you liked it and I wasn't too awkward for you, then hit the button down below and subscribe to my channel and join my family. I don't know, be my friend. Anyways guys, that is it. Like the video if you want, comment down below if there's something you want to see me do, and I will have another video coming at you soon. Oh god. The tea was too strong.